Transformation hacks! Okay, whoa.
Okay.
What are we doing here?
Through the makeup, right?
What is the process here? What are we making her into?
To this thing.
Whoa! Oh, it's to tighten up the
Yeah,
skin.
the
Okay.
skin, yeah.
So we're making her youthful. Okay. I mean, she's not,
What is this for? Is it the... to lift
to lift everything up. Okay. I like how she's like,
Yeah.
what the heck is that thing?
It's aloe vera.
Aloe vera.
For everything. Very
Interesting.
helpful. Okay. So it's just the makeup techniques, right?
Okay, yeah. So we're doing a kind of a beauty day for her right now.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. I feel like they got the skin tone a little wrong, but okay.
Yeah.
Soap.
Soap
What?
for the...
For the eyebrows? Okay.
But
No, why? I would be the same. What are you doing to me?
she like shocked the beat right.
Yeah.
Whoa, vibrant graph.
It's to get the contour on fleek. I know words because my ex used to say them all the time, and sometimes I'd actually listen, so that was good.
But are you what? Are you...
I'm a makeup expert.
Okay, then share it with us.
So right now they're using an eye pen
because
it's on the eye and it's a pen.
You mentioned so many excuses in the beginning why you know this, and after that...
Yeah, because it's my grandmother was a professional. She invented makeup.
I think there is no place for shaming or something.
No.
So,
All right, so we're adding beautiful lashes.
okay.
Very nice. I always thought guys should be able to wear more eyelashes. Like if we want to get our eyelashes up,
We can fly away.
fly away. It'd be cool. Look like a rock star.
But actually, it's very uncomfortable because
Yeah,
me
true.
personally, I have a quite long one, and sometimes with
So if
the
they curl, they'll
goggles or
go up and
something,
they'll touch the top of your
Yeah.
eye. Yeah, no.
it's kind of... sorry, it's not for me.
Okay, that's fine. I figured you.
Oh.
Wow. Okay. Nice.
Okay. So
She looks like a sophisticated businesswoman. About to make some deals.
so
She's about to solve the mystery of the lost property and sell you a house.
will they show us before after? Wow, it's nice.
It is a really nice transformation. Nice.
Okay.
And she likes it too. Little dancing boogie happening here. Excellent.
Okay, perfect.
I like how they're like, yeah, just dance and throw kisses. Yeah, yeah, keep going. Whoa, hot wax. Whoa, it's getting kinky in here. Hey, who? Buy me dinner first. Okay. I hate it when they do
Was
that
it
on the first
wax?
date. It looked like wax. Yeah.
On the...
Yeah. Tissue. We're making his eyebrows big. What for?
I don't know. It's kind of... Wow.
Hair dryer. He kind of looks like a Oompa Loompa or a chicken. Maybe
Chicken?
Yeah, I don't know, like a chicken.
Uh,
I don't know. What do you think he is? That's so confusing.
I have no idea because they... Yeah.
Maybe he's the Lorax.
Uh.
What else is orange? The Thing from Marvel. What else is orange? There's not that many things that are orange because orange is the worst color, but
Maybe it's a Joker?
yes.
Look at this
I
one.
know, this is kind of like, why?
I don't know. I mean, I don't have anyone
seems like the Joker
closer,
now.
but what is this eye about?
What is the orange about?
Yeah.
I'm scared. It looks like he might be right.
What?
No.
No.
What am I watching? Who are I watching right now?
Who is this?
I'm not awake. This is a dream. It must be.
How?
Okay, so they're like, I don't really get it. I just don't get it.
I guess
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Oh.
Or maybe.
I don't
Yeah.
know. I have no idea.
So the same as mine?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
What is this character? Do you guys know? Like, type it before. Because, like, is it supposed to be obvious?
So,
I'm terrified.
Me too. So you can put it on the pause the video and
Write us in the comments.
Yeah.
Let us know how silly we are.
Yeah.
We'll see it and feel really bad about it.
So stepper.
Okay. 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 Oh, is he just... He's a straw man. That's messed up. That's kind of terrifying. Whoa, whoa.
Okay.
This is interesting.
Again, this. Oh. Is it a popular thing to lift it up your
I guess
breast?
so.
Yeah.
All right. We're doing hair rolls. I've never understood what those are for exactly. Are they just for curls, or what do they do?
What this?
Yeah, the
Yeah,
rolls.
for curls.
Ah, okay.
What else?
I don't know. I thought it was just things that like mothers in sitcom movies did.
No, it's actually when you wash your hair, you can rip it like so and do nothing, just sleep with it, and on the morning you have the perfect curls, I guess.
Okay.
And as what I know, maybe I'm wrong, but this is the best way how you can achieve the. Oh, sorry, I missed something.
No, it's okay. Yeah, I think maybe it is the best way. And now we're doing the contour. We're getting our cheekbones to be highlighted now. And they also contour the nose so that you can actually change the shape of your nose basically with makeup.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. Don't trust makeup.
Yeah, you can make us a broken one.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
I saw also the videos like so. So.
Right
don't
now,
believe everything you see.
Yeah,
right?
don't believe in everything you see on Tinder.
Not a sponsor.
Not a sponsor, for sure. Not a sponsor.
Yeah.
So far, it's not looking very good, but when they blend it, I'm sure it'll come out nice.
Okay. So now they just achieve the shapes. That,
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly. And after that,
Once they blend it, it all kind of smooths out and it starts looking nice.
Oh, wow. It's like art, actually.
It
right?
is, yeah. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, we're adding some eyeshadow.
I like that they use the life hacks during the whole transformation.
Yeah.
You know, just which is good.
It's very cool. All right, doing some white and pink. Ooh, so close to the eyes is a little uncomfortable.
And it's always.
All right, we're that that device looks like a torture device, but it's actually not.
Yeah. Actually, I tried. You know, in my childhood, I took this from
your mom's
mom. Yeah,
stuff. Yeah, because you're wondering what is it.
Yeah. So
That's fun. Memories.
Oh, maker. Okay.
Make your lips look a little bit bigger, a little fuller. Nice.
I'm just curious how far you can go to make them bigger. I mean,
That's true. Yeah, you can.
Looks, yeah.
Your whole face is just one big lip.
It's still natural. No, it doesn't look very natural for me. That they, but okay,
It's
okay, they became bigger. Okay,
Yeah.
that life hack works.
It works. Successful life hack. Let's unravel these rolls.
Yeah.
And very pretty. Nice.
Wow. Wow.
Beauty queen. You're beautiful. It's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
Didn't change a lot for
No,
me,
not like I
but
think she looks great, but
yeah,
both ways. But
yeah, sure.
and that's her mama, or that's her daughter.
Oh,
Very nice. Yeah,
Yeah.
I said it the wrong way, but you know.
Okay.
Very nice.
Wow.
Yay!
It looks so pretty. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
and now it's time for the fashion walk. Nice. So elegant.
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay. It's a whole show as well.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
All right, we got Cher coming in. And what is this? Uh-oh.
No.
Oh.
Why?
Yeah, I would be not okay with that.
Yeah.
That's how
wait
to
a
lose
second. He
friends in 3
spoiled it
seconds.
with her. Huh?
That's how to lose friends in 3 seconds.
Yeah. Actually, her boyfriend.
Yeah.
Wait a
Ooh.
second. Did he spoil it with her hair?
Yeah, he put some stuff on her hair. I don't know why. It looked like bleach. What are they doing?
Making her old?
They're making her look older.
The opposite thing.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Actually.
It's working pretty well.
Just what? A piece of towel, paper towel.
And I guess, yeah, if you make it moist, it looks like...
Actually, yeah. Oh, it's sticking.
It's that latex, the liquid
Yeah.
latex. That's, yeah.
But can you imagine it
Feels horrible. It feels horrible.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you're trying to win a costume party, you're willing to do anything.
Yep.
Because costume parties are very important.
Or for Halloween. Right?
Wow.
Wow.
It would be so satisfying to peel it off, though. I want to see her peel it off at the end.
Yeah. But I think it will complicate it, you know. But you know, there is a lot of videos when some people after makeup take out their nose or something.
True, yeah.
It looks,
It looks painful.
and satisfying.
And
I don't know.
satisfying, yeah. Grandma.
Grandma.
Yes. All right, this guy's working out, and Grandma.
Oh,
what's
practical
up, bro?
jokes now,
Okay.
right? It would
What's-
be